You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name that is very often mispronounced correctly. If you want to learn more related and other confusing names, stay tuned, I've got many more for you. There are at least two slightly different ways of pronouncing it in English. In British English in the UK, it's usually pronounced as Anne, with an A sound. Anne. The Americans in the US, the American English pronunciation is more often as Anne. So it's just a tiny different, Anne or Anne. How do you pronounce it and where are you from? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.